Hello, folks. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sudha again. Today, we are going to talk about AI. You are hearing AI everywhere, and you're thinking, this is not for me. This is too technical, or too robotic, or too futuristic. Well, today, I'm going to break it down with zero jargon. Think of this video like I'm explaining AI to a friend over a cup of coffee. So, what is AI really? AI stands for artificial intelligence, of course. Sounds big. But the idea is simple. It's about making machines think like humans, not feel, not dream, just think like humans. Like when your phone guesses or recommends your next word to type, or when Netflix magically recommends what you want to watch, that's AI in action. It's basically a clever pattern learner. It looks at loads of data, spots patterns, and makes smart guesses. Kind of like how you can predict what your friend or your family member will order at a favorite restaurant. So, how does AI really work? Imagine teaching a kid how to recognize animals. You would basically show them 100 pictures of dogs and say, this is a dog. After a while, they just know what a dog looks like. AI works the same way, except instead of kid, it's a machine. And instead of a few photos, it learns from millions of photos. It needs millions of examples. And that's why it can recognize faces, answer questions, translate languages, or even write a poem. But here is the thing, it's not magic. It's just math, logic, and a lot of data. So, where do we use AI in our daily life? You're probably using AI everywhere, every single day, and don't even know it. If you are using Google Maps to find routes, find the fastest route using traffic data, AI is behind the scene. Spotify or YouTube recommending your favorite music or videos you might like. Face ID scanning your face, AI again. Chatbots that answers customer questions on website, AI. So don't think of AI as some sci-fi robot from the movies. It's already there, quietly working behind the scenes. So why AI will not beat humans? Here is a cool way to think about it. AI is great at learning and repeating patterns fast, but it doesn't understand like we do. It doesn't have emotions. It doesn't feel joy or sadness. It doesn't have creativity the way humans have. You can ask ChatGPT to write a joke, but it doesn't actually laugh. It's powerful, yes, but still just a tool like a calculator or a car. Smart because we trained it to be. So now that you know AI is not a challenger, but more like a helpful assistant, what's the one way you would like to use AI in your real life? Like automate emails or write content or cook dinner? Drop your ideas in the comment and I'll pick a few to feature in the next video. And if this helped make AI feel less scary and more exciting, give it a like and a subscribe. Next up, we are going to dive into how AI learns. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious, stay human.